Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make beef biryani. We'll walk through each step to create a delicious, aromatic dish that's perfect for any occasion. First, ensure you have fresh beef, fragrant basmati rice, and a selection of whole and ground spices ready. This recipe focuses on bringing out rich flavors with straightforward techniques. Get ready to impress your taste buds. Begin by marinating your beef. Combine it with yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and a blend of spices, letting it rest for a minimum of 2 hours to absorb all the flavors. While the beef marinates, soak your basmati rice. Then parboil it until it's about 70% cooked. Don't forget to fry sliced onions until they are beautifully golden. These are crucial for the biryani's depth. Now it's time to assemble. In a heavy-bottomed pot, create layers starting with the marinated beef, followed by the parboiled rice. Sprinkle generously with fried onions, chopped cilantro, and mint leaves. Drizzle a little saffron-infused milk over the top for color and aroma. Seal the pot tightly and cook on low heat for about 45 minutes using the traditional dum method. Once cooked, let the biryani rest for 10 minutes before gently fluffing and mixing it to distribute the flavors and ingredients evenly. Serve your aromatic beef biryani hot, perhaps alongside a refreshing raita or a simple salad. It's a dish that truly satisfies. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.